Here at GlasWeld, we are always cooking up ways to make repairs easier, faster, and just flat out better. That's the whole mission, because when you're out there crushing repairs and wowing your customers, everybody wins. So we took everything that people love about the Procure X and said, all right, how do we crank this up? And the answer was simple: go bigger, like way bigger. Meet the Procure XL, the latest evolution in UV curing tech and the light built for techs who refuse to be limited. Long cracks, everyday rock chips, even headlight restoration, the XL handles it without breaking a sweat. It brings wild versatility, serious UV muscle, and innovation that's next level. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Procure XL is such a powerhouse and how to get the most out of it. All right, let's jump in. When we say XL, we are not messing around. The Procure XL is an absolute beast in the best possible way. It delivers a massive curing field that covers way more surface area than anything out there right now, handling cracks up to 14 inches. Yep, that's the full max allowed under the ROLAG standard. Now, long cracks, easy. Headlights, yep. Multiple chips at once, bring it on. And of course, the XL plays perfectly with the zoom injector and the corner edge extension and the rest of your GlasWeld setup. Now, the XL is also patent pending because it's the first long crack repair curing light that allows you to cure under pressure at the initial impact point and cure the entire crack at the same time. And that feature works not just with the zoom injector, but with all previous GlasWeld injectors and the vast majority of other injectors on the market today. And unlike competitor lights, the XL has wide set suction cups, which actually support the glass instead of stressing it out or causing the crack to spread, unlike some other curing lights on the market today. So yeah, the XL isn't just larger, it's tougher, sharper, and built to solve those real world challenges that no one else has figured out. And headlights? The XL covers 2 to 3 feet in a single pass. It's big for a reason, because big means that it's faster, cleaner, and has more consistent results. And because performance deserves style, the XL lets you customize the color of your UI lights. By default, it glows in our signature GlasWeld green because, of course, we're obsessed with it. But if you want to switch things up, simply hold the UV button down for 5 seconds and you can cycle through the different options that are available. You can choose from the pink, the blue, the purple, the green, or go back to that GlasWeld green if you like it. Once you land on your favorite, just let it sit for 5 seconds to lock it in, so it's your brand, your style, your color. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Inside the Procure XL, we've packed in the same high intensity UV LEDs that power the Procure X, just way more of them. We're talking 15 UV LEDs working together. And that reflective chrome interior, it bounces every bit of the UV energy right where you need it. The result? Faster, consistent curing across a massive coverage area. And using the Procure XL couldn't be easier. Just turn it on, set it over your repair, and tap the UV button once for a standard cure, or hit it twice for a longer cycle. So once we do that, you'll notice that the UI lights on the outside start to circle. They'll spin to let you know that it's actively curing. Once it's finished, those lights will freeze in place and you'll hear a clean chime that just lets you know you're all done and ready to go. Now, as you can see, the XL gives you true 360-degree coverage. If we put it over our zoom injector or any other injector, you're curing the entire rock chip area, and you're able to cure a long crack that's radiating off of that. Or if there's no impact point, the whole long crack. Or if you were doing a headlight restoration, laying down a smooth cure across the entire headlight. With this much power behind you, you get the speed and confidence to know that the repair is locked in, ready to take on time, weather, and whatever life might throw at it. Now it's time to talk brains and brawn. The Procure XL isn't just powerful, it knows exactly how to deliver the perfect cure without making you babysit the process. And that's because of this infrared sensor that reads the temperature of the glass or headlight and automatically adjusts the curing time. So Blazing hot windshield under direct sun? Glass so cold it could be an ice pack? No problem. The XL fine-tunes itself so you get a consistent, dialed-in result every single time, regardless of the weather conditions. Every part of the design of the Procure X has a purpose. This ball handle gives you a comfortable grip to help you reach out over awkward positions in the middle of the windshield without unnecessary stretching or awkward positioning. And when it's time for the headlight restoration functions, that same ball handle becomes the anchor point for this adjustable arm for headlight restoration, making it easy to position the XL exactly where you need it across the headlight lens. Now the Procure XL pulls together thoughtful engineering, precise control, and real-world practicality to make long crack repairs, headlight restorations, and regular rock chip repair easier, faster, and more reliable than ever. Now, big power usually means big battery drain, but not here. The Procure XL runs on 2 upgraded ultra-high capacity batteries that keep you working longer without constantly stopping to recharge. And when it's time to plug into the USB-C port, the light will let you know. Orange UI lights on the outside means it's getting low, red means it's time to charge. Now we've also built in a sleep mode, so when you see these lights shut off after a curing process, that indicates the light is in sleep mode, and that's to conserve battery, and that will help your battery last even longer. Now the best part of the XL is that you can keep curing at full UV strength even when it's plugged in. That means no downtime, no waiting, no excuses. Bigger coverage, more power, all the attitude. The Procure XL takes everything you already love about the Procure X and cranks it up to legendary status. Rock chips? Easy. Long cracks? Bring them on. Headlights? Done. Whatever the day hands you, the XL is ready to roll. This isn't just another UV light. It's the one that makes you wonder how you ever worked without it. One light, every job, total domination. Meet the Procure XL. It's not here to participate, it's here to take over.